Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dilip. If you look at today, our markets has closed strongly positive because of strong positive global cues. If you look at Sensex has closed up by 653 points and Nifty has closed almost up by 200 points. Bank Nifty it has closed up by 293 points. So let's understand what has happened today and how we should go forward for tomorrow. Even though our markets have closed strongly positive, it has barely crossed yesterday's high. So Nifty has closed around yesterday's high, and even Bank Nifty it is still within the yesterday's range. Even though Bank Nifty has closed positively, but it is still within the value area and range. Bank Nifty futures has opened inside the value area near to yesterday's close, and then once the prices have opened inside the value area, we know most likely it is going to be a sideways market. But at the same time, if you look at guys what happened in order flow in the first 30 minutes itself, the price despite of strong 2.7k aggressive buying, price is closing below the volume clusters. So this indicates there is a high possibility of sideways market. Ideally, if you look at today, Bank Nifty should have gone to this level 48,700 levels, because these single prints they represent the imbalance areas, and these imbalances they get tested out. Tomorrow is a monthly expiry, and what we should be looking for tomorrow is that there is a good possibility it is going to be a sell on raise again. From today's profile itself, Bank Nifty is a strong value, and today's high and yesterday high is both poor highs. They need to get tested. So look for any kind of sustaining above 49,200 to 250 levels. Any sustaining, likely it will go for 350 levels, because this is a ledge area, and it might even go for further 49,500 to 700 also. But you have to be very careful. At some point of time there could be a strong selling. So for any kind of shorting opportunities guys, look for prices closing below 49,140 levels. So any close below this on 30 minutes or any 1 hour, you will see the prices coming down all the way straight down to 48,960 levels, and there is a good possibility it will come down to 48,850 levels, and third target will be 48,700 levels. This is for intraday. And lastly, it will come down to these levels. Will it come down straight tomorrow itself? I seriously doubt. I think I'll reserve this for a budget day. This is with Bank Nifty guys. Coming to Nifty, what I was speaking yesterday is true bottoms should not leave a bottom like this. Yesterday and day before yesterday, a bottom like this, it only means that it's not strong. There is a good possibility prices might return. At the same time, I was also speaking yesterday high itself is a poor high, likely it will get revisited. So what happened today, there was a flat opening more or less near to the yesterday's close, and then prices closed inside the value area. So once the prices closes inside the value area, you can observe in order flow there is a clear absorption in first 30 minutes, in 1 hour, in the next 1 hour also. So if you look at here, 1.4k buyer is there, but price is closing below that buyer. That indicates some absorption is happening, and there is another strong buying is happening here. But despite of that, price is closing below that volumes, and here also same thing. So because of all this and prices closing inside the value area, there was a strong down move all the way towards closing point, and then prices started going upside, and it finally cleared the yesterday's poor high around 12:15. So for tomorrow in Nifty, what you should be looking is that if you look at the overall value area itself is a higher high, price is closing near to highs. So there is a good possibility Nifty might go for 23,250 to 23,300 levels. But then look for shorting opportunities. If this move itself is too early, look for shorting opportunities. If at all there is going to be a flat opening, look for acceptance below 23,160 levels. Then we might see 125 levels, and then Nifty might come down to 23,080 levels. As of now, this area, this small area, 22,960 levels, and this small area, it needs to get covered. So this is a failed auction. Once there is a 280R extension, which will be somewhere near to 23,300 to 23,400 levels, there could be a strong downside move, and for this to happen a slight negative sentiment has to be there, or strong volatility has to kick in. Might be on budget day there could be a strong volatility covering all these small references, and for further down move, any clean close below 22,800 levels, there could be a strong down move further. And so this is with Nifty, guys. If you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.